In the course of rapidly changing EE architectures, electronic fusing is an essential concept of future power distribution systems in achieving more flexibility, intelligence, and security. E-fuses based on intelligent power devices are perfectly suited to enable these advances in the system. In comparison to conventional fuses, E-fuses offer maintenance-free fusing. While a conventional fuse will blow and needs to be replaced, the triggering of an E-fuse is non-destructive and there is no need to replace it. The E-fuse can easily be restarted by the system. E-fuses are configurable, which makes them very flexible. By changing the calculation parameters, the E-fuse can be tailored to different characteristics. For example, the time to fuse for 7 amps current is increased from 2 seconds to 5 seconds by simply changing the configuration. Conventional melting fuses need to be selected based on the continuous current the fuse can carry. For example, by selecting the 5 amps conventional fuse with a fuse point of 7 amps 2 seconds, the E-fuse can be easily configured to mimic the same time to fuse at 7 amps current. If you compare the actual trigger times when 7 amps is applied, the E-fuse switches off almost in time, and the conventional fuse triggers much later. Repeating this experiment several times, it becomes apparent that the E-fuse always triggers reliably after about 2 seconds. Conventional fuses are much less accurate and require much more margin for the cable. Higher accuracy and thus narrower cutoff characteristics of the E-fuse enables the use of smaller cable diameters. Overall, this shows a huge potential to significantly reduce the weight of the wire harness, so a harness weight reduction of up to 10 kilograms per car can be achieved. IPDs contribute to a safer system by integrating protection and diagnostics features not available for conventional fuses or relays. Detections and notifications can be shown in the system, and intelligent protection functions are available for conditions such as overcurrents, short circuits, overtemperature, and other conditions. Many other useful functions can be implemented. For example, parking mode requires the IPD to remain on to provide small currents to the load. A demand for higher currents triggers a wake-up and all protection functions, and the E-fuse function is activated again. Renesas has developed this E-fuse solution for power distribution systems. This very compact E-fuse box demonstrates the capability of IPD from Renesas to replace mechanical relays and conventional melting fuses. Stay tuned for more advanced E-fuse solutions currently under planning from Renesas Electronics.